All right, so if you recently purchased a Jeep JK, Gladiator, or JL, and your seats are soaking wet when you get in there, you might be wondering why. Why is this happening? Right? Like, what year are we in? Why is this so wet when I get into the vehicle? Well, let me get straight to the point so this way you can understand how to fix this annoying problem if you've attempted to and still haven't been successful. The reason is there is no body side seal, meaning a piece of rubber that goes continuously around the frame of this body that I am sitting in right now. Because if there was a piece of rubber here, then when the door would slam, and if you check it out, there's a piece of rubber that goes continuously around your door side. I mean, all the way around, right? Then if it would have been there, then you would not be watching this video right now because the body side seal would have kept that water out. Now, let's pretend I'm a body side seal for a second here, right? And I'm stuck to the body. Guess what? When this door would slam against me, I would do my job and keep water out. Just like every other vehicle on the road today, right? So that's a very simple concept that people don't realize, not even the dealers. The dealers don't even realize this is what's going on. And then they'll go ahead and they have the right intention, right? They want to solve this problem, but they can only provide the parts that are sent to them from Chrysler Jeep. And they definitely have the ability to solve this issue because every Wrangler does not have this body side seal, yet every other vehicle in the Dodge Chrysler lineup does. So they know what a body side seal is. They just refuse to put it on. Now, to solve this issue, the body side seal that I'm going to recommend is the one that we've produced specifically for Jeep Wranglers to solve this issue. Because like you, we were fed up to hear. We're hearing it's a Jeep, it's supposed to leak. What you doing with carpets in? Just pull your drain plugs. What? That's dealing with the problem at the end of the line. I'm trying to solve it before it even enters the vehicle. So yeah, there's a vehicle specific body side seal that was made here in the United States, by the way, and you'll find that in the description below. I'll put a link to the website that has these body side seals. Also, you can read the amazing reviews from people all around the world who've had great success installing them. But yeah, it's very simple. I mean, let's think about this logically. If every other vehicle on the road today has a body side seal, and every vehicle I've owned before this one doesn't leak, follow me, follow the logic here. Then, if I put a body side seal on my vehicle, it too wouldn't leak. And you'd be correct. It's that simple. Put the body side seal on the vehicle, be done with this problem once and for all. Like I said, this was made specifically for Jeep Wrangler, so that this way it will fit right into the body side seal, and all the contours and curves and cuts and lines that it has been made for it. The other thing is that it's been made intentionally thin. A lot of things that people recommend maybe getting at like Home Depot and things like that. Number one, the adhesive on the back of those materials are not automotive grade, so while they might stick initially, after your first car wash or rainstorm, they'll come off. The other thing is that they are very wide pieces of material that you will find at those types of places, whereas ours is intentionally thin. It was made that way because even those wide pieces that you'd stuff in the door from elsewhere, eventually they just, well, kind of immediately, they smash into nothing, but they're still very thick. And it takes a while to smash into nothing, but the initial of it is thickness, and it'll have the door, right, just really struggling to get that door closed. Ours was made intentionally thin so that this way you can easily close the door and not have that issue. So there you guys have it. The reason your vehicle leaks is because there's no body side seal. That is the why. The how. The how to fix it is down in the description below. You guys can go check that out for yourself and also read the amazing reviews that other people have been leaving after using this product. So there you guys have it. The why, the how, now you know.